Alright, here we go. My first video did not have sound, so I have to go ahead and recreate the video. And I'm doing that because I care enough to help you guys. So we are on 102, and we will be able to finish the ACT packet. So which of the following values of A makes the equation true? So I have to have common denominators multiply by common denominators. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2a times a, 2a times a, 2a times a. So the 2a goes away, so I'm left with a. The a goes away, so I'm left with 2a. And I get 14 times, this is 2a times a is a squared, so this would be 24, or 28, a squared. This has an a and this has an a, so I can really actually take out an a. So if I take out an a, if I divide by a, I can actually divide by an a here, so this actually becomes, instead of a squared, it becomes an a. So I really have 3 equals 28a. Divide by 28, and I get 3 over 28. Last week, a student began collecting rare coins. Since then, he has doubled his collection. So I know that he's doubled his collection, so 2x. He's doubled it by obtaining 36 more coins than he started. So if he started with x and he collected 36 more, then I know, and now he has 2 times as much as he did. Oops, sorry, my screen shut off. And he has 2 times as much as he did, then I know if I subtract x, then I actually know that 36 has to be x. So if he has twice x, then he has 2 times 36 is 72. Each of the following integers satisfies the inequality. So, except. So let's see. If I plug in 0, this would give me 0. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 1/2. That's true. And 0 is less than 33 over 2. 33 divided by 2. 33 divided by 2 would actually give me 16.5. So this is okay. If I plug in 1, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 is greater than negative 0.5, and 5 is less than 16.5. If I plug in 2, that would give me 10. 10 is still less. If I plug in 3, that's 15. That works. If I plug in 4, that would give me 20. 4 would be too large. Another way in which to solve this is I could, just like I taught you, multiply everything by my denominator. So this would give me negative 1 less than or equal to 10x, less than or equal to 33. Divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, and we're still going to end up with this. X has to be greater than or equal to negative 1/10. X has to be less than 33 over 10. 33 divided by 10 gives me 3.3. So the only one that's not less than 3 is 4. The smallest of 3 consecutive integers. 1, 2, 3. Consecutive means in order. X, x plus 1, x plus 2. 3 consecutive integers represents their sum. So if I add those, I actually get 3x plus 3. Which of the following expressions is equivalent? I know A can't be equivalent, B can't be equivalent. If I distribute 5, that would give me 5x minus 5 over 2. That's not equivalent. If I distribute 5 here, I get 5x minus 15 over 2. That is equivalent, so it has to be D. And that's the end of our ACT.